Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Valorant error code 54. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is go ahead and just close the application. So go to switcher, just close the application, remember close the game, and then start it back up. Check to see if that fixes. If that does not fix, the second method you guys can do is restart your PlayStation 5 or Xbox, whatever you're on. Just restart it and then start it back up. Check to see if that fixes. If that also does not help, the third method you guys can do is go to settings. From settings, you're going to go to network. Network, you're going to make sure everything is like connected for connection status, like your PlayStation network is signed in and everything else is good. You can also test your internet connection as well. And then, but you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to setup internet connection, and then you're going to go to your Wi-Fi and you're going to click on the options button on your controller, and then it's going to say advanced settings. So, and then from advanced settings, you're basically just going to change your primary and secondary DNS. And for primary, you can do 8.8.8.8, and then for secondary, you can do 8.8.4.4. So yeah, and then once you do that, you should notice that it should be working now, and you guys should be good to go. And that's also going to boost your internet connection. It makes this faster for gaming as well, so that's also positive. And anyway, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.